Hello friends, welcome to It's Ram Kate. Today we have come up with a very sweet puffed rice balls, a healthy and a favorite dish for all the kids. It takes me back to my old childhood memories. Let's see, we need some dry ginger, few elaichi and jaggery, especially sticky jaggery and puffed rice that is called as murmura or puri or bale, whatever you call it as, and ensure the jaggery has to be sticky jaggery. First take elaichi and dry ginger, make it into a coarse powder in the blender. Generally, dry ginger and jaggery will give an extraordinary flavor to any dish. Now, all the jaggery goes into a heavy bottomed vessel, and the vessel has to be a little bigger because only then you will be able to stir the puffed rice into the jaggery really well. Okay, and sprinkle little bit of water. Do not add oil or ghee, anything to it. Just sprinkle little bit of water so that it looks a little wet. Okay, then keep cooking it in low flame. The jaggery has to be melted. Once you drop a small drop of jaggery in some water, it should form like a ball. That is when you will know it is a correct time to add your puffed rice. A very simple recipe, dear friends, you will enjoy, and it's an healthy alternative for kids, especially during the lockdown. And one more thing, this particular dish has got a long shelf life. Especially in winter, it produces heat in your body. And now the jaggery is ready. Slowly the puffed rice is being thrown inside the jaggery. They are going to get a good mix, properly dipped in jaggery. And so that's it. The dish is ready. But you need to wait till the complete puffed rice that you have added is being properly mixed with jaggery. Then you have to turn off the stove, but ensure two things without fail: the jaggery has to be a sticky one and the puffed rice has to be a crispy one. While buying it, be careful and talk to your grocer and take the best quality out of it. So here my mom is mixing it properly, and all that you need to do is just give a good mixture. So at this time itself, you can have the nice smell of dry ginger which is being mixed with jaggery and elaichi. So the mixture is ready. The stove is off, so it's not hot, so it's warm. Generally, when you melt the jaggery, the warmth is there for quite some time. So when it is warm itself, you have to make the balls. Only then it holds a shape. Otherwise, it will become like a normal bale, which is available loose. But still, the taste is good. So when you make a ball, it's nice, crispy, crunchy. And when you chew it, you get that jaggery chewiness into it. And your family will love it, especially the kids. So this can also be a quick snack, and it is easily available, and definitely it has a lot of health benefits. Zero cholesterol, calories, and it's sweet with dry ginger. It's good for your health. So especially this dish is made in winter, and it can be stored for quite some time, but you need to store it in a clean airtight container for long life. Here my mom says. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for more videos. Please like and share your comments. Have a nice day.